Hey there! Today I'm showing you a new type of application that we developed for you to add inside the rooms, which is a contact card. This application is really useful for you if you want to have, for example, a sponsors booth with different people inside. You can put their contacts so that when participants join, they will see the different people related to these booths and contact them directly. In order to do that, you go to your room. You can click Add Application, and when you add application, here at the top you have the different types of applications. A new type is the contact card. So you can type contact card. Let's say this is Veertly Plus. Here you can select the tags. This means that everybody that has this tag will be listed inside this application, either if they are online in the event or offline. So let's say that everybody that has the Veertly tag will be listed in this room. So here you can also add a custom header, for example, Veertly Books. You can also add a custom background image if you want to personalize it to your own. Image. So let's just copy some URL and add it here. When you save and you enter inside the room, you'll see now that you have this application here. That there's a text that you can customize it as well, and you can see a contact card of myself in this case, but if there were someone else inside the event with the same tag, they will also be listed here. So we hope this will help you to share the contacts of your booth inside your events, or any other thing that you think could be useful to use in this use case. As always, feel free to come back to us and suggest new features and the other type of application that you'd like to see inside your Veertly event. I hope you enjoy it, and we are looking forward to hearing from you.